Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you where to find gold in Subnautica 2. So first of all, go to the life pod, and from the life pod, go to the east direction, just like I'm going. Also, you'll need to have the adaptation for heat tolerance, which I've shown how to get on my channel, so make sure to check it out. And now we will need to find a biome where there is going to be more higher heat. As you can see, the red arrow is showing how many degrees are in this biome, and without the heat tolerance you wouldn't be able to be here. Now you need to get out and search these corals, where you find these kind of slags of gold, these nodes, and you can go ahead and pick them up. And also you can find larger nodes deeper inside of the biome. Also make sure to be aware of the Marrow Breach, because he is going to attack you, as you can see. So now there is this larger node on which you'll need a sonic resonator. As you can see, I've got a lot of gold from it. So this is pretty much all how to get gold in Subnautica 2. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.